Hi everyone. So today is going to be a birthday read for those born on the 24th of November. So a very happy birthday, darlings. And let's find out how this entire year would be for you. So angels and spirit guides, let's find out what messages are in store for you for this entire year. Okay, so let's see how does this entire year will be. Okay, there we have, and okay, seems the cards are actually flying out. Any more messages? Okay, there we have. Okay, that's it. So we actually have too many messages that have actually come out for you. Let's have all, and let's have this 1, 2. Okay, now there are these interesting 3, 4, 5. There's another 6. Okay, so okay, I'll place them a little up so you have a better view. And okay, now let's have some angelic guidance as well, and then we shall start with your read. So angels and spirit guides, any messages that are meant, so any angelic guidance, let's see. So let's see, angels and spirit guides. Okay, too many messages. Okay, we already have 2 cards. No wonder. I will explain. Okay, let's see if there is any more messages coming up. So angels and spirit guides, are there any more message coming from you? And no, I think those 2 messages that angels gave are quite strong enough. Now I get clarity. Okay, let's get on with your read. The first and foremost, especially my feminine energy, it's an emotion, sweetheart, that you will feel that you're getting pulled in all the directions. Maybe because of responsibilities, spiritually also, but I think it's more of emotional. Okay, because it's like, you're getting burdened that, okay, fine, I have to take care of my kids. If you're married, if you're single, then take care of your parents. Again, if you're married, your in-laws, your husband, or your work front. It's like getting pulled in all the possible directions and you don't know. Okay, maybe things are not going according to your way, is exactly what you might go through in this entire year, or you could have been going through a couple of days back or a months back also. But darling, it's an emotion. Okay, you don't have to face it, you know how to tackle it. You need to get a little calm. How do you become, it's like, I don't have time, I don't know how to deal with it. Simple. Take the me time of 5 minutes. Okay, you can actually spare 5 minutes for yourself, right? Listen to some good meditational songs, or sound healing definitely helps. So switch on the YouTube channel, listen to any songs, calming music that makes you feel good, or do something that makes you feel alive. Okay, something that needs to calm your mind is what is important. That's the reason the suggestion is to listen to some calming music. Okay, yes, you will have a lot of messages coming up. Now if you can see, there are too many birds. Okay, and this is you. So you will have a lot of people trying to communicate with you, trying to reach out to you. Darling, there are some good messages coming up. If at any given point you think there is something that you can't handle or you don't know what to do, please seek for help, because these are exactly what the messages are trying to tell you. Now, what are they trying to tell you? Well, there is a possibility that on emotional front, okay, friendliness definitely calls for partnership. So if you are already seeing someone, there are possibilities that yes, you will strengthen the bonds, you will take it to a next level. Okay, which is very much there. Now this is like a 1%, because it's a collective read, a collective energy comes in. So if you think your partnership isn't working, okay, and you have chosen to walk away from that particular relation, advisable, have a heart-to-heart conversation with that person. Whatever issues you guys have, just talk it out and then walk away with your head held high. Okay, you don't have to carry any regrets or any bad vices or any such bad feelings in case if you think you want to end that relation. But 99% I would say that yes, there will be a lot of strengthening of bonds that is a possibility. Okay. Now the reason why, I'll get back to the first part. The reason why you're feeling a little bit pulled in all the directions is because you're trying to juggle with 2-3 lives. Okay, it's like, as I said initially, your life, if you're married, your in-laws and your husband, if you're single, your parents, your siblings and all. So there are a lot of responsibilities you're trying to handle and you just don't know. It's like, trying to find a balance. If you can see, it's like you're swinging between 2 or 3 things. So darling, avoid that. You can balance. Okay, so take control, find peace, find a clarity, and then you can divide your responsibilities. How much is you can cater your attention to, and yes, please don't ignore yourself in that entire bargain. Also, if at any given point, now these are a lot of if at all at any given point, because these are the emotions that you could be going through. Okay, darlings, if you think things are not going your way, and if you think a lot of illusions you could be living in, or a lot of assumptions you could be thinking, darling, try to understand. I'm so sorry, sweetheart, because of the light effect. If at any given point you think as such, then yes, it is under illusions. It's like, you have your eyes shut. You need to open up your eyes. Maybe that is not the reality. Okay, it's just that you're building those thoughts in your mind. Like, sometimes we go through some situations and we're like, yeah, I know this is how it's going to be. No, it may not be that thing, because there's a series of events that has been happening. You have got your mind has accepted or adapted to those situations, and they're like, okay, darling, this is what has happened now, so this is how it's going to happen. Maybe that is exactly what your mind is trying to tell you, but this may not be, is what your conscious will tell you. So darling, you need to open up your eyes. If you think there are any problems, then yes, there are possibilities for you to solve it. How? Look up how the eagle looks. There are possibilities to resolve those problems. There are solutions. There is stability. The sunrise definitely will bring in a lot of good things coming up your way, but you need to look up at the situation as an overview, as like, how you see this, like an overview of all the cards. But when I get this, then you're just focusing on either one of the card or either one of the picture that attracts your eyes. So what universe is trying to say, have an overview as to the entire situation, and then you know what exactly to pinpoint and how to go about it. Yes, there are solutions. So darlings, please don't give up. What the angels are saying is, yes, you can expect a new partner coming in because there is Cupid. So darlings, start loving yourself. You've not been loving yourself. It's like, yeah, I do love myself. No, you not. Rather, you could be loving, but not as much that is required, the pampering of yourself and all. So please do that. Definitely Cupid does stand for love is around the corner. So yes, you can expect a new relationship coming up, in case if you think that you are walking away. But in case if you think you are staying with the person, then yes, rekindle your love by bringing a lot of love in that. New partner definitely stands up for a new partnership. Partnership can come in any form. Partnership also stands for work also. Though we always say it's on love front, because that's exactly how we say. But then yes, angels are saying the partner can definitely come on work front as well. So keep your eyes open. Maybe that's the reason there's a lot of communication that is coming in, and that's exactly what they're trying to say. Now let's try and have some more messages. Let's see if there are any more messages coming up. So angels and spirit guides, are there any more messages for my lovely people? Let's see. Oh, okay. Now there have been cards that have turned. Okay, and I will flip up and let's see. So angels and spirit guides, are there any more messages for my lovely people? Okay, there we have, and no. Okay, let's take these two messages because they just flew out, and Aha! Love is definitely in the air. I will take this upright because it was upright and I just turned it around to make it the inverted, the reverse. But no, I will take it upright because it was meant upright. So yes, you can expect a love offer coming in. So yay, I'm happy for you. New partner, Cupid, and friendliness. So yes, my love, you will definitely have a new partner, a new beginning in love. If it's on work front, then yes, a new beginning you can expect. Okay, handle a lot of things with love. Maybe that is required. As I always say, love heals anything and everything. 8 of Wands definitely calls for communication. So maybe communication, as I said initially, I hope you can see there are these lot of birds who are trying to reach out to you, and there are these things that are trying to reach out to you. So yes, you will have someone who will definitely try to communicate, a new partner you can expect, who will try to reach out to you, and yeah, expect some new beginnings coming up your way, and I'm quite excited. So yeah, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind. That does not belong to you. And do hit the subscribe button, the like button, so that you get notified as to any such new videos I keep uploading. Stay happy, stay blessed, and happy birthday once again.